Charge your Tesla anywhere there's electricity. The Tesla wall connector is the best option for home charging. To plug in, point the connector at your car and press the button on the handle. You can also open it from the touchscreen, Tesla app, or by pressing on the charge port door. The Tesla T illuminates in white, indicating that your car is ready to charge. Firmly plug the connector into the charge port, and the T will first turn blue to show that the car is preparing or waiting to charge, and then to a green pulse to indicate that it's charging. The mobile connector allows you to charge your car using any standard household or garage outlet. To charge using the mobile connector, attach the adapter to the outlet you'd like to use, plug into the outlet, and then into your Tesla. Press and hold the connector button to unplug. An amber charge port means that the connector isn't latched and likely isn't plugged in all the way. Try unplugging and plugging back in more firmly. Red indicates that there's an issue with the charge source. Check your touchscreen for a message.